They don't give a shit about you, man.
Talk shit louder. You want to hear.
Sorry, what?
You have to speak louder if you want people to hear it.
It's been forever since we've had a birthday in college.
I can't even remember the last time.
Back in the day, Jollibee used to be all the rage.
Elise! Elise! Say hi! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
It's your birthday!
Yeah! Let's go now! Yeah! Let's go
It's just my preference. I prefer to have it all.
Ayan, kakaway. Napit-pit ako hana ko na. Kakaway. Tayo lang. How old are you?
Oh!
Oh! Practice!
give me a rundown on the other people?
This is the best friend of Tita Pai. Those are the kids. High school friend of Tita Pai.
What about the guys over there in the corner?
Those are the friends of Tita Ronald. Practice na yun yung mga stuff.
Sorry, what?
The stuff will practicing yung dance.
Ice cream chillin', ice cream chillin', chillin', ice cream chillin', ice cream chillin', chillin', ice cream chillin', ice cream chillin', chillin', ice cream chillin' like a villain, yeah, rah rah rah, bitchin' bitchin' dittin' something with my life, alright. All up another deal, but I got it, 그냥 chillin', this is main part, 안녕히 좀 먹어, keep it moving.
Gising na gising pa mga Jolly Kids kahit medyo gabi na. Ayan, this time po, before we officially start our party, ito po, we have health and safety protocols po that we need to observe lang naman. Ito po, voluntary na lamang po ito, meaning to say, it's all up to you kung gusto nating sundin or hindi. Ayan, first up po, hi Elise. Ayan, first up is always wear your face mask because the only time that you can remove it is during langhap sarap time or eating time po. Ayan. Kung may face mask kayo, yes, maybe po you can wear it if may face mask. Kung wala naman, it's alright lang kuya if you don't have face mask. Ayan. And second po, upon entrance, we have our registration form. So don't forget to register your name. Ito po is for our head count purposes. Ayan. And lastly, we also have hand sanitizer po upon entrance na pwedeng-pwede niyong gamitin anytime. So let's keep our hands clean and sanitize. And sa ating mga guests, besides the wall na ating Jollibee wall, hello po sa inyo, jolly evening. Please po, don't na po natin i-attach ang ating tables and chairs sa ating Jollibee sticker. Ayan po siya, para hindi na po ito ma-damage. Thank you so much. And of course, once again, sa ating mga Jolly Kids, we have 15 party hats po that you can wear. So please wear it para lalo mas maging masaya ang birthday party ni Elise. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Mga Jolly Kids natin, baby girl Elise, find your comfortable seat na. Yes, baby boy. Alright, this time, Jolly Kids, you are about to experience a part where happiness is the expression.
A place where you can win new friends and create bonding memories together.
So everyone, walk with me in a new journey. This is your Jolly Town Tea Party! Hello, Jolly greetings! Tonight, we're going to celebrate Elise's birthday! You're here at Jollibee Katipunan, and I'm your party host, Kuya JD.
Kuya JD.
And with me are
Ate Kim.
Ate Kim
And Ate Thea.
and Ate Thea. This is the happiest happiest place to be, Jollytown Theme Park! Alright, Jollibee, together with his friends, Hetty, Popo, Swirly, and Yum are so excited for the arrival of our celebrant, Elise, together with her friends. Earlier, they were so very busy preparing the party booths, designing the games and activities for us to enjoy.
Happy will balance up with their fabulous running ticket. Popo will cook at their sports kit. Charlie will teach us with their latest dance move. And yeah, will lead latest invention and logic.
And of course, Jollibee will prepare for us the best food in town.
Experience for yourself the happiest place to be. Jollytown Theme Park Party. Johnnytown Theme Park is open, Jollibee and friends are coming for the rides moving. Colorful lights and dancing, Johnnytown Theme Park, here we come. And where the kids are exciting, all of the rides and thrilling smiles and laughter. And ending ever after, in Johnnytown Park we're having fun. Jollitown. Johnnytown Theme Park, come on friends, marching together, there's so much to see at Johnnytown Theme Park, Hey! Oh Jolly, jolly day, happy, happy day, jolly, happy day. Hey! Jolly, jolly day.
It is time to celebrate Alice's birthday! Here at Jollibee at Iguanan, and I'm your party host, Kuya JD, and welcome to
Johnnytown Theme Park Party! Everywhere the games are exciting, all of the rides with thrilling smiles and laughter, and ending ever after to come on over where joy abounds. So come on over, friends, and Johnnytown Theme Park!
Alright, thank you so much for this time po. May I request po to please stand up po tayong lahat.
Name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, blessed the fruit of thy womb. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and at our hour of death. Lord, be to the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. As was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. Joy.
Alright, thank you so much, Mami Teresa. This time po. Alright, this time, let's not wait for long dahil nandito na ang ating proud mommy and of course together with our, by the way, din sila po ay both my birthday ka na wala. So welcome, Mommy Len and Elise! Sabay-sabay everybody! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! It's your birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Alright, this time, Mommy, and of course, Mommy Len and Elise, happy birthday po and welcome here at Jollibee Kids Party. And this time, Mommy, we acknowledge simple ways of fun. Kaya naman, dito sa Jollibee ay may ginagawa kami konting pa-interview lang naman. Ayan. And of course, it's all about our birthday girl, Elise po. And of course, hi Elise, you're gonna answer some questions din ha. It's all about mommy din. Since birthday din ni mommy. Ayan. Okay, this time, for our first question, mommy. Ayan. Out of curiosity lang, mommy. Asan po nagmula or anong history behind the name Elise? Ayan.
She has to have an E name too, because they have Ethan, Evan, and Elise.
Oh wow! Walang pa naman natin si mommy, everybody. Ay, so her name po is because sinundan natin ng E. Si Kuya Ethan, tama ba? And then, Evan, and of course, ang ating birthday girl, Elise. So, wow, napaka-cute naman. So, lahat ng name nila, it starts with the letter E. Wow! Okay, thank you so much, mommy, for that beautiful answer po for our birthday girl's name. And this time for our second question po, ito. To mommy, curious din po ako. Nako, ano-ano pong traits or characteristics ang namana or na-inherit ni Elise from you? Ayan, sige po. Ayan, usisain muna natin si Elise. Ayan. Sige mami, ano po sa tingin nyo?
She's very curious.
Yes, ayan.
And very stubborn. I mean, very feisty.
Ayan, everyone, stubborn din ba si mami? Wala nag-agree dahil dyan, may chicken kayo later. Diba? Nag-play safe, mami. Ayan, ikaw, Elise, are you stubborn ba?
Yeah.
Ayan, ako, she admits na stubborn siya. Ayan, ikaw talaga. Ayan, it's okay lang naman kasi bata pa naman si Elise. Ayan, okay. So, enjoy your childhood, Elise. Ayan, this time, mami, how about physical looks? Meron mo ba? Ayan, ako.
Xerox.
Xerox, ay photocopy pala ni Elise mo. Ay, si mami ni Elise, no? Ayan. Okay, pinagbiyak na bunga ang atake. Ayan, sige mami. Gusto namin more specific. Ayan, ano kaya mga namana na physical looks ni Elise from you? Ayan, oh. I can see po yung eyes talaga. Yun, no? Sabi niya. Ayan. And then yung lips, no? Very, din yung lips ninyo. Very magka-shape. Ayun. Ang pretty na. Ikaw, Elise. Hi, Elise. Hi, Elise. What can you say about mommy? You do look alike ba?
Yes.
Yes! Palamakan naman natin si Elise, everybody. Napaka-cute. Ayan, this time. For our third and final question, mami, ito po. Wholesome naman po tayo because ito po. Ano po ang mga bonding nyo with our birthday girl, Elise? Ayan, yes, mami?
We go to the park and the playground, right?
Yes, they go to park and at the playground. Yeah. Every morning po ba ito? Like, to get sunlight, no? Magano. Yes, ayun, very good for exercising na rin siya. And how about Elise? Hi Elise, ayan, what are your bonding with mommy? Like, the things that you usually do with her?
I go to the playground. I go to the shop,
Grocery.
the grocery, and we go to the dinosaur park.
The dinosaur park.
Wow, ayan, they go to grocery. Ayan, and dinosaur park. Ayun. Okay, one more time. Palapakan naman natin si Elise, everybody. Ayan, because mommy, those bonding po natin with our children is something na machi-cherish yan ni Elise. Ayan, yan yung mamimiss niya once she grow older po. Like, oh, I miss mommy I miss doing this together with mommy. Ayan, okay, Elise, this time. Once again, Elise, happy birthday. We honor you on your very special day. May you grow to be a kind and a hearted person and always respect your mommy and the elderly and be an inspiration to each and everyone. Kaya naman everybody, it's our chance to sing Elise a happy birthday! Sabay-sabay! Happy birthday! It's your birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! And of course to Mommy Len, happy birthday din po. And but for this time po, Mommy Len and Elise, you may now join our guests po and enjoy the rest of the party. Thank you so much because we're moving forward na po to our games and activities. Nako, mukhang excited na ating mga kids and of course ang ating mga jolly adults. Kaya naman, for our first game, nako, etong first game natin, ang swerte naman ng mga guests natin because dito nyo lamang po ito malalaro sa Jollibee. Yun o. As in never pa sa kahit anong event. Mga Jolly Kids, you're so lucky because you're gonna play this game. Only here at Jollibee. Ayan, okay kaya naman? Approach nyo lang yung mommy and daddy because this game is what we call Jollibee's Bring Me Game! Ayas, mommy. Ayas, saan ka pa nakapaglarong Bring Me? O, di ba sa Jollibee lang? O, kayo talaga. Kaya naman, for our first item, okay, this time po, ask ko lang. Ilang taon na si Elise? Ayan, how old is our birthday girl? Yes? Yes po. Ang dami sa... kay Elise na lang natin. How old are you, Elise? Ayan, 4 going 5. Yes, ayan, dahil 5 years old na si Elise. Ako, before kayo mag-enter ng room, mga Jolly Kids and Jolly Adults natin, ay may prepare po kaming 5 with a very special prize. Nako, kaya naman, ready nyo na mga sarili nyo dahil I need those 5 na Jollibee sticker that you can find under your tables. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Ayan sa ating mga tables natin. Ako, yung ating kaya doon sa mga walang nakaupo ko yata nalagay doon eh. Ay, grabe naman si Baby Boy. Baby Boy, be careful.
Did you find one?
Oh, ayan o. Nag-slide po si Baby Boy. Nako. You have to found it, mga Jolly Kids. Ayan, ako, sayang pag hindi natin nakuha.
Wala?
Ayan, sige po, ano, hanap na tayo yung mga kids and adults natin. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Wala naman eh.
and 1. Alright, stop, Jolly Kids. Oh, do you found something? No. No? Ang bilis ng answer. Nako, bakit kaya, Ate Thea, saan mo nilagay?
Wala akong nilagay.
Ay, wala pa dyan ako. Ayan, I'm so sorry, Baby Boy. It's a scam po. Ayan, part lamang po ito dahil pa-warm up game lang natin. Yes. Kasi, naku, parang yung iba sa atin giniginaw na. O, di ba? Nagising ang mga diwa. Okay, yan naman. Ito for our first and official item. Ito. Ayan, kuya, it's not part of scam anymore because this will be our first and official item. Okay, this time for our first item. Alright, this item, it starts with the letter P. Okay, Jolly Kids, can somebody give me a word that starts with P?
Phone.
Police.
Phone.
P.
Party! Yes, very good sample. Here at Jolly Kids, party! Yan, okay, this item po is, yes? A party hat. See yun? Party hats. Okay, this time, this item is nilalagay sa likod. Ayan, we put it on our back. And usually, si mommy or si daddy ang nag-a-apply. Lalo na ngayon, tag-init at porcelain. Ayan, we're all sweaty in summer. Ayan, okay, this time. Okay, I need only 3. I only need 3 that could give me. Yes, mommy, what item was that? Ay, very good. Powder or pulbo? Go! Powder or pulbo? 5, 4. Ay, Ate Thea, they don't have powder. They're always fresh. Uy! They don't need to retouch na. Wow! Okay, sige. Since wala kayong powder, bawi tayo sa ating next item. Ako for sure, ito, meron kayo na ito. Because this item, it starts with the letter E. And of course, ang ating birthday girl Elise and Kuya Ethan ang ating sample. And si Kuya Evan, ayan ang ating mga magkakapatid natin letter E. Ayan, this time, this item po ay by pair. Ayan, by pair po ito. At ginagamit natin sa tainga. Yeah, we use it in our ears. Okay, this time, I need
Phones.
3 pairs of... Yes, Mami, ano kaya to?
Go.
Ay, very good. Earphones, go, go, go! Ayan. Let's go claim your prize. Ayan. Yes, Elise, you have earphones? Okay, sige, let's give our birthday girl a prize. Ayan. Ayan, okay, this time, for our Chucky and Red Ribbon. Ayan, ako, sige mga Jolly Kids. Itanong nyo na sa mga mami nyo. At pag yan pag yan kapitbahay na ko, dyan nyo na lang yan sa mga wallet ninyo. Okay, kaya naman I need Happy Plus card! Go, go, go! Ay, ano nangyari? Ay, you don't have Happy Plus. Oh, ay, drop. Oh, our bubuyog will be sad. Ayan, sige, it's alright. Kaya wala tayong Happy Plus. Pwede naman po natin yan i-inquire sa ating mga cashiers or sa ating counters. Ayan, okay, once again, thank you so much mga Jolly Kids natin for participating in our game. Ating first game, but for this time po, Jolly Adults naman ang maglalaro. Kaya naman, I need 10 Jolly Adults, 5 boys and 5 girls. Ayan, sino gusto mag-play? Ay, parang wala. Sige, this time, Mommy, I think I need your help for
Obi, you
our
have to
players.
participate.
You want
You have to
to
participate.
call the players? Elise,
You
want
have
choose
to
your players?
participate.
You want to choose 10 adults?
No, the one behind
to play? Your mom, you're gonna play. Yes? Ay, Mommy, you're going to play daw, sabi ni Elise. Ayan, Mommy, ayan, you can choose any other players po. Ayan, I need... Yes? Who do you want to play, Elise? Ayan, si Mommy. Sino pa po? Ayan, si Mommy Pai. Ayan, si Ninang Pai. Okay, this time. Ayan, of course, si Mommy din. Ayan, I see 3 girls po. I need another 2 po and then 5 boys. Ayan. Okay, who's gonna play? Mommy, I think I need your help po to call out our
Mama.
players.
Konti lang sila, ma.
Ayan, okay na kahit Jolly Teens, kahit teenagers, pwede. Ayan.
Gian,
Teenagers
go.
na, let's go play!
You and mama, you and Gian. You and Obi.
Yes? 3, 2, 1. Wow! You're very good at counting, Elise. Okay, this time. Ilan na po ating players? I see 2 boys and 3 girls. Oh, ano pa? 2 girls and 3 boys. Ayan, you're going to play. Ay, hala. Ayan, it's okay po kahit ating mga mami din. Ayan, pagbigyan na po natin si Elise, everybody. Ayan, si mami din. Ayan, sama na po tayo. Okay, Jolly Adults, wala na.
Mama, they're waiting.
Ayan, sino pa po? Ayan, kayo mami.
Go.
Ayan, sali na po tayo. Ayun.
Kulang pa tumayo ka na dyan.
Ayan, ako. Tawag na kayo ni Mami Pai. Ako, pagbigyan na po natin si Elise. Kayo talaga. Ayan, halika na po. Ayan, 7, 8, kasama si Sir. 9, one more player to complete our 10 players. Ayan, Sir. Are you going to play po? Ayun. Okay, complete. Kompleto na ang ating players. Okay, this time, ating mga Jolly Adults and Jolly Teens, compress tayo everyone. And let's take a picture po muna before tayo mag-play. Ayan. And of course, sama natin si Elise. Ayan, okay. Compress po everybody, mga mamis natin and kids. Ayan sir, ayan mga maglalaro natin. Ayan, nakakulang pa pala ng one more player. Ayan, Elise, ayan, let's join your mommy to take a picture. Ayan. Ayan, everybody, look at the camera. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, this time po, let's form a line. I have 5 players po, 2 groups. Each group has 5 players. Okay, so Kuya Ethan, salin natin yan. Okay, this time. Dito po ang ating starting point. So everybody, ayan, hati natin. Ayan, Mami, are you going to join Ethan? Yes, ang ating mag-parents. And Mami Pai, which group are you? Yes, ayan, 10 players lang po. Ayan. Si Kuya Ethan pwede natin ipag-play. Pero the 2 girls po, ayan. Ayan, okay. 5 players po each group. Ayan, so tatlo po dito. Ayan, okay, 5 na dito. Ayan, and another 5 here. Dito po yung pina. Ayan, dito po yung another 5. Ayan, yes, Mami, ito. Si Ate Mion, ayan na. Mayu, ayan si Ate Mayu po, ayan, she's not included. Mami, nako, hindi pwedeng hindi. Dito ka pa. Saan po si Baby Mayu? Ayan, okay. So, I see. Mami, bakit ka go back out? No, Mami, the kids are not included po, except kay Kuya Ethan natin. Ayan, the other 2 girls natin is not included. Ayan. Jolly kids, sit down muna because our parents are going to play. Ayan. Ate Mayu and Ate Elise. Ayan, let's go sit down. Yes, Kuya Ethan, go back to your starting line. Let's go back to our starting line. Ayan, okay, this time everybody, listen up. Because this game is what we call Bata-Bata. Okay, let's go there, mga Teya. Everybody, okay, this game is what we call Bata-Bata, Giling-Giling, Bata-Bata, Ocho-Ocho. Okay, this time, I need to demonstrate muna. Ayan, oh, nagulat ata sila, Mami. Okay, this time, everybody, let's demo po muna. Okay, so Bata-Bata, ating mga teens, mga ating teenagers, don't be shy po kayo talaga. Okay, one more time. Bata-Bata. Yeah, very good. And then, show us your giling-giling skills. Yan, giling-giling. Yes. Oh, wow. Ang lalambot. Okay, this time. One more time. Bata-Bata. And then, yes, giling-giling. And then, once again, Bata-Bata. And Ocho-Ocho. Do the iconic Ocho-Ocho dance. Oh. Yun, ay, hindi ko nakita yung iba. One more time. Bata-Bata. Okay, Ethan, follow. Bata-Bata. Giling-giling. Giling-giling. Yun. Bata-Bata. Ocho-Ocho. Ay, grabe. Yun. Okay, this time. Naku, iyan pa lang po isa sa ating part ng ating game. Because ang ating buong game, instructional game, ayan, all you have to do po is, ayan natin, dito tayo sa ating starting line, Mami. Kita ang ating starting line, so compress muna. Ayan, Kuya Ethan, okay, all you have to do is, you're going to run sa ating table. Yes, tatakbo tayo sa ating table. And you're going to build your cups po into tower. Okay, Ate Thea, demo mo. Okay.
Like that.
Yes, like that. Then after you build your tower like that, you're going to ikot sa ating table. Ikot po. Kuya Ethan, you're going to run around our table after you build your cups. Okay, Ethan, do you understand? Okay, okay. After that, you're going to do the bata-bata, giling-giling, bata-bata, ocho-ocho. Okay, and then after that, you're going to put it back again. Okay, like that. And then, that player po is tatakbo sa ating next player to high five. Yes, makipag-high five po. That will be the signal to our next player to continue the process of the game. So, pabilisan po ito everybody. The team that has the fastest time will be our winner. Ayan, okay. Okay, and of course, yes, Elise, you want to join?
Yes.
Ayan, okay. Sige, Mami. Sama natin si Elise.
Yes.
Ayan, you're going to win. Okay, this time. And then, of course, ang ating winning team, may prize po kayo. And ang ating losing team, may consequence po pag natalo. Ayan, para mas ganahan kayo. Okay, this time? Mukhang ready na sila. Kaya naman, standby, Kuya Ethan. Standby tayo because this is pata-pata, giling-giling, pata-pata, 8-8. Ready?
Hey, excuse.
Yes, set?
If you even give my mom consequences, I'll give you the consequences.
Oh, okay. We don't have consequence na pala. Ayan, I'm so threatened na. Okay, this time, let's continue. Ayaw, Mami, grabe naman yun. Papalaro lang ako. Okay, this time, pata-pata, giling-giling, pata-pata, 8-8. Ready? Set! Set! Wala pa. Go! Ay, grabe ang competitive ni Ethan. Oh, yes. Oh, let's go, build your cup. Oh, let's go, Elise. Okay, wow. Mami, you're up to ulit ba, Mami? Again, ayan. Yun, high five. Okay, next turn. Oh, let's go, Mami. Bye. Ayan, build your cover, build your cups. Okay. Ay, full teams pala yung competitive, ah. Ikot, Mami, let's go. Wow, grabe naman yun, Mami. Okay, let's go. Oh, let's go, Kuya. Oh, build your cups. Ayan, let's go, Mami. Ako, Mami, panalo mo. Ayan, oh. Wow! Ayan, let's go, Mami.
Hoy!
Ayan, ako, let's go. Ayaw pa, ayan, ayan. Ala, okay. Bye. Ayan, let's go, sir. Ako last player na. Chill lang ang ating. Oh. You know, wow. Ulit ba? And then, okay, this guy. Sige, tuloy mo natin. Wow, okay. Yun, okay, this time we have our winner. Walang baka naman natin ang TV. Ayan, of course, it is. Congratulations, Kuya Ethan. Bye. Yes, ayan, congrats po sa ating Team B. Claim nyo na yung prize nyo here. Asa yung Team B natin? Team B, pili kayo ng character nyo here. Ayan. And of course, ang ating, naku, Mami, unfortunately, nakalo ka. Ayan, ako. Ano, Mami, si Mami. As you want. You can substitute ka daw kay Mami. Is it alright? Okay. And of course, Mami Pai, kasama sa ating losing team. Ayan, cry daw. Sino pa yung ating losing team natin? The rest? Ayan, okay. Dahil dyan, Mami and Mami Pai, pamipiliin ko po kayo. Ano kung gusto nyo, sumayaw or kumanta? You want to sing or to dance? Okay, dance. Dance po, Mami. You can request dance. Anong gusto nyo sa'yo? Alin po? Ballet? Grabe, ang hirap nun. Paano namin i-demo yun? Old Town Road? You want Old Town? Okay, okay po si Ethan, dancer. Okay. What do you want Kuya Ethan to dance? What's that? What's boogie boogie? Who sang that? Who sang that? Boogie boogie what? What? Oh, Town Road. Okay. Okay, Ate Elise, you're going to do it. Okay, sige. Dahil dyan, si Kuya Ethan ang ating pag-take ng consequences. Okay. Ay, palakpakan naman natin si Kuya Ethan.
Take my horse down town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no
After this, all the
more. Take
players
my horse through the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back, horse like it's attached. I got the bushes black and mad. Riding on a horse, you get with your horse. I've been in the valley.
Grabe naman! Wow! Palakpakan nyo naman si Kuya, everybody! Ayan, thank you so much, Kuya. Nalinis yung sahig. Wow! Ayan, this time, ito po, alam natin itong lahat. Sabay-sabay tayo. Even Elise na po alam ko. Let's go! Yan. Nakasanay mga natalo na kung may short na lang, ayaw niyo pa sumayaw. Kayo talaga. Let's go, please. Let's go, please. Together with Mayo. Yes!
Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark.
Best friend nating lahat, best friend, Jollibee! Ay, ayun o. Wow! Hi, best friend! Wow naman! Halika na. Ay, umuwi na rin agad. Ay, ano yan? Ay, wow! Nag-sanitize muna. Very good ka dyan, best friend, ha? Oh, di ba? Oh, high five, meet and greet with best friend Jollibee. Ayan, welcome po, best friend. Dito sa birthday party ni Elise. Ikaw talaga. Ayun, okay this time. At challenge ko, ay, nakita mo na pala. Challenge ko sana eh. Okay this time. Ayun, meet and greet. Yes, may name tag pala. Dahil dyan, Elise, let's take a picture with best friend Jollibee. Halika dito in front.
Si best friend Jollibee, narito na.
Ayan, okay, have a seat, Elise. Ayan, and... Okay, ayan. Picture po with best friend. And of course, ayan si Ate Mayo din natin kasama. Ayan, and of course, kasama ang mga kuya ni Elise. Ayan, si Kuya Ethan and Kuya Evan. Ayun, okay. Sige, best friend, one more time. Waki daw this time, best friend. Waki. Ayun, wow. Cute naman ng mga ating baby girls. And of course, si best friend. Nako, this time, si best friend Jollibee. Of course, hindi siya pupunta ng birthday party na walang dalang. Walang pala talagang dala. Hindi. May dala siyang birthday wishes for Elise. Yes. Ay, ano ba yan? Ba't ikaw umupo? Ikaw ba may birthday? Ikaw talaga? Sige, one more time. Let's take a picture with best friend. Wow! Smile, best friend. Ay, lagi ko lang makikita ang bubuyog na. Ayun, wow! One more time, best friend. Waki daw, paniwaki. Diba? Pa-cute talaga itong bubuyog na to. Okay, this time, best friend, ikaw talaga. Tumayo ka dyan. Si Elise, paupuin mo. Hindi naman ikaw ang may birthday. Elise, have a seat because best friend will give you wishes this time. Okay, this time, best friend Jollibee. How many birthday wishes have you prepared for Elise? Ay, wala pala, mami. Sige, this time, best friend Jollibee, we have to say goodbye na. Ayan, ikaw talaga, punta kang birthday, wala kang wish. Ay, bakit ako? Ano yun? Ako, Alice. Sige, nako. Wala mag-interpret sa'yo, best friend. Sige, this time. Ay, ikaw talaga, everybody, bigyan daw natin si best friend mag-isip. Bigyan daw natin siya ng time mag-isip. Sige, best friend, bigyan kita ng time, ha? Uy, ang lalim na iniisip. Ay, okay. Ang bilis, Wow! Sige, best friend Jollibee. Anong birthday wishes ang meron ka? Ay, ilan pa lang muna? Sabay-sabay daw magbilang with best friend. Okay. Best friend, lead mo kami. 1. Ay, mahina, no, best friend? Wala ka narinig, no? Mahina. Mahina daw, Elise. Sige, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Ay.
4 lang yan, 4.
My touch, best friend. Elise, how many fingers does Jollibee have? Can you count Jollibee's fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, best friend, you only have 4 fingers. Hala. Paano yan? Wala. Ano ba yan? Sige, asan na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10! Wow! Ano ba yan? Ano ginagawa sa ulo mo niyan? Ikaw talaga? Daliri yan, antena mo yan. Ikaw talaga. Nilaloko mo kami. Di ba? Okay, sige, best friend. You have 4 wishes. Palakpakan naman natin si best friend, everybody. Ayan, napakagalante. By 4 wishes agad for Elise. Okay, this time, best friend. What are those birthday wishes? For your first wish, Elise, we wish that you grow to be a very pretty and beautiful and flawless woman. Yes, and ano yung best friend? Para ka namang one more time. And to grow to be a sexy lady, just like mommy. Wow! Ay, bolero, no, mami? Ay, nako, nagpapalakas tong best friend natin, eh. Ikaw talaga. Ay, ano po na yan. Nako, gusto ata ng cake, mami. Gusto ng slice. Ay, nako. Nako, pagbibigyan pa kaya. Okay, this time, best friend, thank you so much sa yung first wish. What is your second wish? For your second wish, Elise, we wish that you grow, to be smart and intelligent And we hope that you reach your dreams. Wow, that's a very nice wish for Elise. Ayan. Oh, ano pa, best friend? For your third wish, Elise, we hope that you grow to be a wealthy woman. Ayan. So, mapera daw. Ayan. Ikaw talaga, best friend. Grabe. And be generous to each and everyone. Wow. Best friend. Kanino pa siya maging generous? Ay, of course, kay best friend daw. Ikaw talaga, mami kanina pa nagpaparinig to. Ikaw talaga, best friend. Ba't ako tinuturo? Ikaw naman, interpret ko lang ginagawa mo eh. Sige, best friend Jollibee, for your fourth and final wish. Elise, we wish that you grow to be, and of course, lahat daw po tayo ay damay tayo for our last wish. I always be happy, just like, uy, best friend Jollibee! Wow, papapogi pa yan. Diba? Hawi yan ng buhok. Hawi ng, kilay. At tanong ko na lang, asan ang buhok? May buhok ba? Umalis ko si best friend. Ikaw talaga, best friend, di ka maloko. But this time, hindi lang birthday wishes ang handog ni best friend. Dahil, meron din siyang tumatagiting na gift. Yes! Isa. Best friend. Opening up, best friend. Mag-unbox si best friend na...
May ikot.
Let's give it up for best friend Jollibee to dance. Alright, this time, best friend Jollibee, the stage is yours to dance. Be the dance. Let's go, best friend. Wala ba mga kamay for best friend Jollibee, everybody? Ay, grabe. Nakita lang ng camera, nagpa-pogi ka. Gift daw kasi you gave us such performance. Palakpakan naman natin si Elise. Diba? Ikaw talaga best friend may take out ka na agad. Ayan, this time po, let's move forward to the most highlight ng ating birthday party, the blowing of candle. Kaya naman, Elise and of course, Mami Len. Kaya punta po tayo in front. Samahan natin si best friend Jollibee. Ayan, baby Liz? Ayan, that's your cake. Your birthday cake. Wow.
Punta na lang sa andyan pa rin gamot mo. Lasasang at saka ang lodipin.
Ayan, and of course, together with Kuya Evan and Ethan, let's take a family picture po muna together with a cake.
Mami. Mami.
Ayan, let's go.
Sumama ka dun.
Hi, Mommy Teresa. Let's go join our birthday girl.
Hoy, blowing up kayo, kakanta kayo.
Ayan, everybody. Look at the camera and smile.
Make your mommy and your daddy oh so proud of you.
Ayan, this time best friend walking. Oh, one more time, walking. Oh, ano yung best friend? Ayun.
Just for you.
Of course, si Mami pa. Kasama namin yan.
Jolly birthday to you. Wishes come true.
Okay, thank you so much. For this time po, everybody, may a request po to please stand up tayong lahat. Ayan, sa ating mga guests, stand up po tayo and let's honor our birthday girl, Elise, by singing happy birthday to her. Ayan, so stand up po tayo, everyone. Ayan, ay, best friend to talaga. Ayan, this time, thank you so much. And let us all sing happy birthday to Elise in a count of 3, 2, and go.
Happy birthday to you.
Louder, everyone.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, this time, one more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Alright, this time, isang mas masaya at mas mabilis na. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! It's your birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Ayan, this time, ayan, Elise, before you blow your candle, may I know what's your wish, Elise? Ay, Mami pala muna. Ay, Mami, do you have any wish for Elise?
At least you grow up to be a good, strong girl, right?
Yes! Palamakan naman natin si Mami, everybody. Ayan, napakaganda ng birthday wish. How about the brothers? Ayan, Kuya Ita, do you have wish for Elise?
Wealthy.
To eat well. Ayan, thank you so much, Kuya Ethan. How about Kuya Evan?
Healthy and oh, that's it.
Ayan, that's it. Ayan, Kuya Evan wish that Ate Elise will be healthy. Ayan, this time, Ate Elise. Ayan, since ka-birthday mo si Mami Elise, do you have any birthday wish for Mami?
Kiss.
Yeah, my mom.
Okay.
Ayun, ayan, this time si Elise po, wala na daw siyang ma-wish because lahat ng kanyang pangarap ay natupad na daw this time. Ayan, this time po, Elise, it's time to blow your candle. Ayan, count of 3, I am ready this time. Let's go, sabay-sabay mo ulit. Happy birthday! It's your birthday! Happy birthday to you! Wow! Thank you so much sa ating Mommy, together with ayan, and of course, together with Kuya Evan and Kuya Ethan. Thank you so much. And this time, sa mga gusto pa magpa-picture, you can still take a picture with best friend dahil meron pa po siya 12 minutes po with us. So everyone, pa-picture na tayo with best friend. Yes, ayan. And, ay, ano ba yan? Nilaloko mo si Kuya Ethan, ha? Okay, this time. And of course, sa ating mga Jolly Kids, pila na din tayo in front para mabigyan din tayo ng loot bags and giveaways. Ayan, mga Jolly Kids natin.
Jolly
Ayan, okay, let's take a picture with best friend. Ako pwede ka po.
Make your mommy and your daddy all so proud of you. Jolly birthday to you. May your dreams happen too. This Jollibee kitty party was made just for you. Jolly birthday to you. Delicious one.
And everybody, look at the camera. 1, 2, 3, smile. Yes! Ayan, sino ba gusto magpa-picture with best friend? Ayan, so we're at the chance po. And pose a selfie, groupie, walking, or even junction. Ayan, everyone. Sige, magpa-picture na tayo with our best friend Jollibee. And of course, sa ating mga Jolly Kids, punta na tayo in front na kung meron pa giveaways. And look back ang ating birthday girl, Elise. Ayan, sige po. And Elise, ayan, yung distribute the loot bags. Yes, ayan, sige mga Jolly Kids. Where's Elise? Ayan, Elise. Ayan, you hand them out your giveaways. You want Ethan? Ayan, you have to bring your baby girl sister. You want good bag? I can give away. Or you'll help her. I have to say happy birthday, Elise, once you receive your giveaway. Happy birthday, Elise. Yes, and this time you'll have your... Yay! Yippee! Okay, next.
Here, one more. Ethan, wait, Ethan.
Jolly Kids, where are the other Jolly Kids? Ayan, you have your gift here. It's from our birthday girl, Elise. Ayan, okay, you have to say. I have to say, happy birthday, Elise. Happy birthday, Elise.
Video to, video.
One more, Elise.
Ayan, sa ating mga Jolly Teens. Oh, you have to say happy birthday, Elise. Wow, Thank you so much. Ayan, Elise. Oh, you want to choose who you give the class?
You're gonna give to Jollibee?
Wow! Best friend, what are you going to say?
Binaksak.
Ay, best friend can't speak right now daw. Wow! Ikaw talaga best friend. Oh, best friend, you have take out already, ha? Sino ba po gusto magpa-picture with best friend Jollibee?
Do you have 3 cards?
We still have
No.
Oh, I was gonna ask you take
7 minutes together with him. Kaya naman, don't be shy, magpa-picture na with best friend.
Huwag nang tago na, huwag nang bilangin.
May papabayad.
Kumuha ka na ng paper bag sa baba.
Ask for paper bag. Ano?
Oh, picture.
One, two, three. Obi, hawak. That's recording, ha?
Okay. Oh, I like the ergonomics of that. I like the handle. Feels like a Wii controller.
Oh, no. Release. Picture.
Say something to the camera.
Hello.
Say something.
Ituko mo na lang sila na hindi na siya.
Ayan, everyone, sa lahat ng gusto ng slice ng cake, ayan, pwede po tayong mag-take ng ating cake po dyan. Ayan, so, ayan, so pwede tayong kumuha ng slice. So, punta na in front.
Where? Which two? What are you talking about?
Ayan, sa mga gusto po ng cake, punta na po tayo in front.
Clean your teeth.
What are you talking anything about it.
Nanay ko sa nanay mo, nanay mo.
There's nothing.
O, wala na. Akin na.
Be careful, guys. Oh my gosh. Everyone, we have morning. I know you guys are busy, but as you can tell, you want to say thank you to everyone?
Thank you.
Okay, give the mic to him.
Ayan, si Ate Mai.
Thank you for coming.
Wow. Kuya Ita, you have to say something? Wow, you're very busy playing. Ayan. Ay! Ayan. Grabe ang gratitude niya, Mami. Ayan, it's alright, Mami. Ayan, this time po, ayan, Mami Len, and of course, Elise, thank you so much for choosing Jollibee to celebrate your birthday po. Kaya naman, once again, ako po yung birthday host, Kuya JD, and with me are Ate Kim and Ate Thea na nagsasabing, hanggang sa muling pagkikita sa Jollibee. Ingat po kayo, everybody, and God bless us all. Thank you so much.
Sa Jollibee, may joy na di malumunan. Ang joy na to i-share mo. Ang joy mo lumabas na si Jollibee.
And everyone, and before kayo umuwi, ayan, pwede po tayo kumuha ng cake. So, kung gusto nyo pong magkumuha ng cake, nakagaling po ito kay Elise. So, ayan, let's take